Hi everyone, what is the tip today? Here you go. First rectangle create பண்றேன், then make the corner to rounded by the direct selection tool. Then I create one more rectangle, change to another color and hold Alt key, make duplicate and Ctrl D, you will get duplicate again. Then select my shape, go to brush, new brush, this time I choose art brush. Then I draw my shape and select my created art brush. Now I copy this one and paste in place and again change to normal brush and increase stroke size. Then go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. Then adjust the blur value. So this is how we can give depth to our design.